how to add crypto payment to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking in great detail and depth about how you're going to add crypto payments to your Shopify. So to do this, you're going to come to settings. Once you come to settings, you're going to go to payments, and you're going to go and click on add payment method, and over here just search up any cryptocurrency that you want to add. So let's say I want to add I'm going to go with Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to add Bitcoin, and look at that, it gives me Bitcoin. Then I can go with, let's say, Ethereum. And look at that, it gives me Ethereum. So simply to add this, you're going to click on them, and you can see the different providers that give you crypto base. So you can go with crypto.com or Coinbase. I'm going to go with Coinbase Commerce because it's more trusted. Once you do that, you're going to click on connect, and it will give you the Coinbase Commerce sales channel that you're going to add to your page, obviously. And once you've added it to your page, from there, you're just simply going to install it. And that is how you are going to be adding crypto payment methods to your Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you wonderful people in the next video. Goodbye.